I would consider Alden as one of my constants talaga. Yung pag may problema ako, Alden, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi naman ako nangungutang. Pero like, hindi naman ganong level. Pero like, kung kailangan ko lang ng, kunyari, advice. Actually, maraming ang medyo na-confuse kasi paano naman nag-cross ang landas namin, diba? So, yun, nagkasama kami sa pelikula. Yung recent run namin, siya naman yung nag-invite. Just like how my other runner friends invite me to run. So, it's pretty, yun lang talaga yun. And we are not together.
We run together but we're not together.
Yan, ganyan.
Makikitang nag-usap sina Jack at Barbie. Halos 6 na buwan matapos kumpirmahin ni Barbie na break na sila.
Since there was a photo that came out, I think I don't have to discuss it any further. Yeah. Kasi may photo naman na lumabas. Sorry, let me rephrase na lang. I don't want to discuss it any further. Simula ng taon na to, I would say na we've grown closer talaga.
Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start.
As compared to before, I think the care that we have for each other is really genuine.
I think I love you. I think I love you. It's not a lie. When I feel your touch, when I feel your touch.
Sa lalaki, dapat siya ang gagawa ng first move. So, David, parang alam mo na yung
Cheers.
sinabi. O, diba? Cheers.
Cheers.
Alam mo na yun.